Okay, where are you?
Tank spotted there.
Oh, I see the small before.
What's the word? He's...
What tank is it? What is that? The Japanese tank or no?
M5 right
Japanese
there.
of them.
Welcome back on.
10 rock right from my side. Right from you, Elena.
I see it.
Sword there.
God damn it.
Check on your left side. Check on your left side. There's a sword there.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Dude, I balanced on him.
Specter.
Just hold the gap. Oh my god.
Aim your shots a little more.
Okay.
Welcome. Pawn needs to push like now.
Probably too late. How did the Tetra not die there?
I think it hit his track. Pawn, don't push it.
It's gonna do something.
Get him!
It's gonna do something.
Yeah, we don't have. He doesn't have a luxury of waiting. Whereas,
Pawn, oh, Pawn, please, he's right there.
I think he's got busted kind of thing.
No, he definitely doesn't.
Like partially, because it's so slow now.
No, it's that slow normally.
Is it?
Pawn.
F.
You know,
Good,
you
good
know,
run.
It was a
Good
difficult
run.
situation.
that was a major skill issue on my part. I got too greedy pushing that Stewart.
good run.
Oh, I was trying to, I was trying to bait him with the smoke. It worked, but
Yeah. Specter, I fucking love you.
You
Sorry
do know
for the smoke at the end.
I am shaking right now. Holy crap. Dude, I'm shaking
Jesus
right
Christ.
now.
You don't want to know how the fuck I shit my pants when I heard the enemy tanks and we were waiting over there, because I was in a really bad position to encounter if they came around the rock.
I'm so shaking right now. Also, that was a bad shot during the Stuart one.